Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Jeep Cherokee key fob. First, gather all your existing and new key fobs. It's crucial to have them all present for the process. Also, make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. The programming sequence requires careful attention to timing, so be ready to follow the steps precisely. Now, let's begin the programming. Insert an already programmed key into your ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, then immediately turn it OFF. You'll need to repeat this on and OFF cycle a total of 3 times. This action prepares your vehicle's system to accept new key fob information. Pay close attention to the timing for each turn. Next, remove the existing key and insert the new, unprogrammed key fob into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position and hold it there for approximately 5 seconds. During this time, your vehicle is learning the new key's unique code. You should hear a chime or see a security light flash on your dashboard, indicating successful recognition of the new fob. After programming, it's essential to test every key fob to confirm they all work correctly. Try locking, unlocking, and starting the vehicle with each one. If any key fob isn't functioning, simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning. Also, for some great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.